Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Trello using Atlassian Access and MFA step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an Atlassian account, enter your email and password in the provided fields. If you don't have an Atlassian account, click on Sign Up to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill out your personal information and complete the registration process. After logging in, you will be redirected to the Trello dashboard. If this is your first time logging in, you will be prompted to authenticate your account using Atlassian Access. Look for the authentication message and follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Next, you may need to verify your identity using multi-factor authentication, or MFA. If MFA is enabled, you will be prompted to enter a verification code. Check your authentication app or your email for the code and enter it in the provided field. Once the code is submitted, you will gain access to your Trello board. If you encounter issues during authentication, double-check your login credentials. Make sure that your MFA method is correctly set up in your Atlassian account. If necessary, visit the Atlassian support page for further assistance. Once authenticated, you can start managing your Trello boards effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.